Ang ating pag-aaralan, ang rational inequality.
We write the inequality as a single fraction on one side of the inequality symbol and 0 on the other side.
Determine over what intervals the fraction takes on positive and negative values.
X, values for which the rational expression is 0 or undefined. Factoring the numerator and denominator is a useful strategy.
Mark the number found in I. On a number line, use a shaded circle to indicate that the values include the solution set. And hollow, circle indicate the values included. This number partition the number line into intervals.
Select a test point within the interior of each interval in the rational expression in the aforementioned interval.
Summarize the interval containing the solution.
A glass with a square base is to have a value of 125 cubic meters. Let x be the length of the side of the square base and h be the length of the glass. What are the possible measurements of a side of the square base if the length should be longer than a side?
X is equal to x squared. What is our V? V is volume. Our volume is 125 cubic meter. Kaya siya naging 125 then equals x squared. Then so since nasa may right side yung h natin, i-transfer natin siya into left side. So h is equal to 125 over x squared.
Then I 125 over x squared greater than x. After that, copy mo ulit yung 125 over x squared and then i-transfer mo yung x before greater than para maging negative x. After greater than, lagyan ng 0 sa uli. So magiging 125 over x squared minus x less than 0. Sa pangatlo naman, 125 over x squared minus x cubed less than 0. Ang ginawa kasi dyan, minultiply yung negative x sa x squared kaya naging negative x cubed. X squared means x times x. Kumbaga, negative x times x squared is equal to negative x cubed.
So, ang 5 cube daw po is 125. Paano nga ba? 5 times 5 times 5. So, 5 times 5 is 25 times 5 is 125. So, now, 5 minus x, close and open parenthesis, 5 plus 5x plus x squared close and open parenthesis. Yun po ang ating denominator. Ang ating numerator naman po ay x squared and then greater than 0. So, next step, 5 minus x, i-equate po natin siya ng 0. So, 5 minus x is equal to 0. So, bring down 5. So, pagka ililipat po natin yung negative x, magiging positive po siya kapag lilipat po natin sa right side. So, 5 is equal to x. Kasi nga po, yung negative x, lumipat po siya kaya naging positive. Dinaanan niya po yung equal. So, next, yung numerator po natin is x is equal to 0. Next, mag-drawing po tayo ng straight line and then, lagyan po natin ng dalawang bilog. Sa may left side po is 0. Sa may right side is 5. So, nasa may left side po is x is less than 0. And then, nasa middle, x is less than 0 but less than 5. And then, yung nasa may right po is x is greater than 5.
Pagkatapos po natin masolve, is ilalagay po natin sa line number sila 5 at 0. Pagkatapos nyan is gagawa po tayo ng table. Kukunin po natin si 5 minus x, 5 plus 5x square at yung buong solution po sa nasa baba. Ilalagay po natin sila sa table bilang test points. Mag-isip po tayo ng number na mas maliit kay 0. Tama, 1. Next is x is less than 0 but greater than 5. Mag-isip po tayo ng number na mas mataas kay 0 at mas mababa kay 5. Tama. 1. Next is greater than 5. Ano nga ba yung number na mas mataas sa 5? Lalayo pa ba tayo? Di, sa 6 na. 4. Substitution. 5 minus negative 1 equals to negative 6. So, magiging negative po ang ilalagay natin sa table. At ganun din po ang gagawin sa mga susunod na given numbers. If the final sign is positive, we need to shade it. If it is negative, we need to leave it blank. Thank you very much.
X such that x is an element of a real number where x is greater than 0 but less than 5. Therefore, the height of the glass should be less than 5 meters.